Hey there guys, welcome to the Becoming Legendary channel here. In this video, we're going to take a look inside the back dashboard of the Legendary Marketer program. That way we can look at the products that Legendary Marketer sells. All of these products are designed to help you as a beginner build your digital business. So obviously that's going to help you make a lot more money online. But the other thing about these products is if you become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, you can also make money. You can earn a commission by promoting all of the products that we're going to look at here in this short video. So let's go ahead and jump into the computer and look at the products that Legendary Marketer has to offer. But before we do, if you're new here, my name is Brian Brewer and I started the Becoming Legendary YouTube channel for the sole purpose of helping you make more money online with the Legendary Marketer program. I've been affiliate marketing since 2012, and this channel is all about sharing my tips, tricks, and advice to help you get more views, get more traffic, grow your following, and ultimately make more money with Legendary Marketer. Let's go and jump into the computer and take a look at the products that we have to offer here inside the Legendary Marketer program. So first and foremost, you're going to see on this products page all of the products they have to offer. The Marketers Club, the Omni Branding Formula, the Traffic Rolodex Bundle, and the Affiliate Marketing ebook. Over here on the Business Blueprints, you have the Affiliate Marketing Business Blueprint, the Digital Products Business Blueprint, the Events and Masterminds Business Blueprint, and the Coaching and Consulting Business Blueprint. Now, the coaching and consulting is really interesting. This is what I do with my business, and the great thing is you get to help people one-on-one. You get to see all the positive changes that you make, and you can charge a premium price, but we'll talk more about that in a minute. Also down here, you're going to see live experiences, and these are the ultra high ticket offerings that Legendary Marketer has to offer. Now, if you're watching this video because you're in Legendary Marketer and you're not sure which product you should buy first, I probably wouldn't recommend starting with the live experiences. Although this can give you a quick jump start, I would recommend getting your feet wet with one of the business blueprints or even just joining the Marketers Club first and foremost. That way you can start to understand the culture of Legendary Marketer. You'll get to know Dave, and then later on down the road, it'll probably make sense if you have the budget for it to join one of these live experiences. And once again, if you promote this as an affiliate, these live experiences are going to earn you some pretty considerable commissions. So let's jump over to the next page here and take a look at what's inside these products. Now, the first thing you're going to see here is the 15-day online business builder challenge. This is designed to give the ultimate beginner the ultimate advantage. So if you know nothing about building an online business, then this is definitely where you're going to want to start. If you're an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, this is also probably where you're going to want to start sending your traffic. You're going to want to give people the opportunity to get their feet wet and start entering the learning phase without committing to a high ticket product like the ones that we're going to look at in just a second here. Down here, we have Legendary Marketer's Marketers Club, and this is an excellent product. This is more of an entry-level product, and the cost of this is $30 a month. They call this the Netflix of marketing training, and that's essentially what it is. It's kind of like a database of tutorials that help you become a better digital marketer. Now, as we're going through these programs, you might think to yourself, everything's about marketing. I want to start a business, right? There's an important key to understand here. There's a great saying that says something like, you're not in the business you're in the business of marketing, the business you're in. So it doesn't matter what you want to do. If you want to build an online business, then Legendary Marketer and its products are relevant for you. Down here we have the Traffic Rolodex Bundle. This is going to be a great course that is going to show you how to advertise on different platforms. If you're going to go out there and run paid ads, do not do it without first investing in a course. It doesn't necessarily have to be this one. I'm not trying to sell you anything here. I'm just trying to introduce you to the opportunity that is on Legendary Marketer. But the first thing you have to understand is when you jump into paid advertising, if you don't know what you don't know, you can lose a lot of money really quickly. So it's best to invest in some sort of training before you jump into it. And the Traffic Rolodex Bundle is a great opportunity. It's also a great product to promote if you're going to be an affiliate. Speaking of affiliate, we get into the business blueprints. Now, this is going to be more advanced training. These are blueprints that costs $2,500. The cool thing is this is going to be the information that you really need to kind of take it to the next level. The thing is if you really want to level up in life, you have to level up your skills, you have to level up your knowledge, and the fastest way to do that is by taking a course or hiring a coach. So they have the Affiliate Marketing Business Blueprint, the Digital Products Business Blueprint, and the Coaching and Consulting Business Blueprint, all along with the Events and Masterminds Business Blueprint. So if you want to become an affiliate marketer and you don't want to create a product, you just want to promote other people's products, this is going to teach affiliate marketing. If you want to create digital products, like you want to create a course, maybe you have a skill, like maybe you can help people meditate, or maybe you can help people lose weight, or maybe you can help people refinish furniture. Okay, you can turn that into a digital product. And when you do, you can sell that, and then you can earn money pretty much semi-passively, because once you create the digital product, you don't really have to do much other than sell it, right? It's a piece of information that resides on the internet, and you can sell it over and over and over again. This is a great opportunity to really scale a business, and the Digital Products Business Blueprint is going to show you how to put your knowledge into a product and then sell it, of course. There's the Coaching and Consulting Business Blueprint. I mentioned coaching and consulting is a lot of what I do right now. This is great because if you have skills, you can charge a pretty considerable amount of money for coaching and consulting. So great opportunity there. And then the Events and Masterminds. The cool thing about Events and Masterminds, if you want to host events and masterminds, it's great because, first of all, you can still charge a pretty good amount of money for an event or a mastermind. But two, it's a lot easier to sell than an advanced course or like a 60-day consulting program. And the reason is simple. An event or a mastermind usually takes a couple hours to a weekend, right? Now, people can commit to 4 hours on a Saturday a lot easier than they can commit to the next 60 days of their life. So events and masterminds are the perfect combination of speed of delivery and the ability to charge a premium. The cool thing about events and masterminds is you don't have to host them in person. You can host them virtually using like Zoom or Skype or Google Hangouts or something along those lines. So anyways, that business blueprint is going to be great if you want to get into hosting masterminds, like kind of make some extra money on a weekend or what have you. If we go over to the affiliate marketing referral plan here, you're going to see how much some of this stuff costs, and you're going to see how much this can earn you if you're promoting these products as an affiliate. Once again, you can benefit from the Legendary Marketer programs two different ways: by learning the skills or by promoting them as well. I recommend you do both, but that'll be up to you to decide. So we mentioned the Legendary Marketers Club is $30 a month as an affiliate that earns you $18 in commissions every single month. That's cool because that becomes a monthly recurring revenue, and that's a great source of passive income at that point. The Traffic Rolodex, which once again teaches you how to run advertising, is the $247 product. That's going to teach you how to run paid ads as an affiliate that earns you almost $100, $98.80 there. All of the blueprints cost $2,500 to invest in. All of them earn you as an affiliate a $1,000 commission. You have the Accelerator and the Ultra Accelerator, which are in-person events. Those are $5,000 and $15,000 respectively. Obviously, that's a lot of money, but you're going to get great high-touch one-on-one communication with Dave at those, and the networking. That's what's really cool about those events. But those earn you $999 and $2,999 as an affiliate. So they do have some other programs that we didn't talk about, but for the most part, that gives you a pretty good idea of the products that Legendary Marketer offers. I hope this video was helpful for you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notifications if you do want to make more money with the Legendary Marketer program. There's going to be some links down in the description as well that'll show you some of the other videos on the channel that could help you out, including the 2-page website that I use to promote Legendary Marketer as an affiliate. I'll even show you how you can copy my template if you want to get into that and get started as fast as possible. All right, thanks for watching this video. We'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye now.